Hi, I'm Kia,
My name is Andres.
and we're with Salvation Wellness. And this is Cornuts. Say hello. He's a little camera shy. Today, I'm really excited to do an unpacking of the Core Coaster by Core Prodigy. Now, they have a bunch of different products, but this one's really interesting to me. If you know anything about Andres and I, you know that we're really into fitness that is functional, that is thoughtful, and that really trains you from the core out, thinking about what muscles in your stomach actually do, kind of like an anti-movement tension point, right? So if I raise up my arm, the way I bring it back down is with my core. And so something like this was really attractive to me when I saw it, and you know how I love my toys. So, my toys, no. Hey. So a lot of times, if you've been with me and we've done some corrective exercise training in a session, I will often get out the gliders or have you use your socks. But sometimes I find that those can get a little sticky, particularly if you're feeling weak or if you're having some kind of mobility issue or tension points through your hips or knees. And so I'm really excited to see how these work on things like rugs or like my arms are super weak. So like how I can train my arms with these is something that was really attractive to me. So let's see how they work. Let's see what they do. Drum roll, please, for my husband who is a drummer. And we're just gonna slit it open. Now I actually don't know how to open this very much. It's kind of interesting because there's like an opening here, but then these are together. Now I got two. So I'm thinking that these are just two of the same product and they're just like weirdly taped together. But I'm gonna tape them, untape them, cut them with this little knife, cut them open. I'm gonna cut them open. I feel like a surgeon right now. Okay, yeah, so it's just two of the same thing. So here on the packaging, it's a little funny. I think the packaging is hilarious. So like here, there is a guy's butt and he's holding two core coasters. Here is a dude with his arms and legs spread wide open. They call it the Core Angel. And it says, if you can do the Core Angel exercise below, you are insanely fit. Now, I know for sure that I would not be able to do the Core Angel, but it is definitely something that is fun to think about. I promise you that I will try it out and you can watch me fail at it. It's gonna be great. And it also says that the Core Coaster has been scientifically proven by the University of Alabama to activate the obliques, which is right over here, right? Like, you know, when you have that nice little line kind of down the side before it goes into your side, that's where your obliques start. And it says that it's 435% more activated than a traditional crunch. So that's kind of terrifying to me and also scintillating, right? I promise you that Andres is gonna be like 7 bajillion times better than me just because he even has abs.
They also have other products too on the side here.
Yeah. I mean, some of those, so I've seen some of their other products that, you know, kind of like some of them look kind of interesting. Some of them kind of look like maybe I won't use them a lot. This particular product looked really attractive to me.
You mean you don't want the Flex Premium Arm Blaster?
Arm Blaster. Actually, that was like probably one of the only ones that I was like, I might try that one. All right, here we go. One each. Ready? Let's cheers it.
Let me get a...
Oh, you still have more to go?
I still have to cut.
You have to do it. Yeah, you got it. All right. Woo!
Here we go.
All right. Oh, cool. So the first thing that I see is this handy little poster. Oh, awesome. Yeah. So essentially they're doing like slip sock bridges, planks, like wax on, wax off planks, reaches,
That's very nice.
little rock climber, mountain climber. Ooh, the fishtail looks crazy town. So I'm going to do each one of these for you at some point to varying degrees of success. So some of them you can use just one, some of them you need two. It has this like weird attachment band. One of the things that I thought was really cool about this, here it is you see this here? You can actually hook a resistance band to it, like put it around your feet to push out. So cool. Let's see. So here I am, I'm on a rug. Yeah, so if I tried to do this with sliders, this would be literally impossible. So I'm really excited to see what happens.
These look really cool.
They look really cool. I would say they're probably like a foot about, right? We'll put stand on it. Let's see what your foot, yeah.
It's about a foot.
It's about a foot. I know my visual dimensions.
Feels sturdy.
Yeah, so the casters are just, not locking. They go all the way around. The construction actually feels really sturdy. It feels a little bit sturdier than I thought it might. And what I like about the wheels is they kind of feel like roller skate wheels, or maybe like skateboard wheels.
Something like
They're
that.
they're not super just like plastic. They feel slightly sticky, little rubbery.
They feel durable.
They feel durable. And I like that it looks like you could probably replace them if you need.
They also give you a thank you card with a 15% discount at Core Prodigy with the code DIRECT15.
All right, here we go. So this is me standing on them. Like, oh yeah. Oh God. Oh my God. Hey, baby. Hey. So let's see, it kind of does feel like being on roller skates, actually. It's kind of funny. So whoa, this shit's bananas. Bananas. Oh, ay. Yeah.
Nice.
And so my left side is weaker than my right, so this is cool. I can actually feel it through my core when I do that. I can feel that my stabilizers are working a little bit more. So I think it's gonna be a really fun tool to have in our arsenal.
I'm excited to have it.
Cool, well, thanks guys, and check them out. We were not paid or anything like that. We literally just bought these randomly online. So you are gonna get our unadulterated, totally unsponsored opinions about these core coasters coming up, okay? Check it out.